Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering a usable dataset and the tools you need. Record or license 520 hours of high-quality speech with matching transcripts. Diversity matters to generalize. Next, pick a base model, Tachytron, Fast Speech, or a transformer portraying checkpoint, and confirm license compatibility. Then provision a GPU instance, install Python, PyTorch, or TensorFlow, and audio libraries like SOX and Librosa. Once done, organize files into train dev, test splits, and back up your raw recordings before moving on. You now preprocess and train the model with attention to stability. Convert audio to MEL spectrograms, normalize amplitude, trim silence, and bucket by length to speed batches. Initialize from the pre-trained checkpoint and fine-tune using a conservative learning rate, gradient clipping, and a warm-up schedule. Validate every few thousand steps to monitor overfitting. Apply light augmentation, pitch shifts, background noise to improve robustness. Save checkpoints frequently, and use early stopping when validation loss plateaus to preserve the best weights for inference. You finish by converting the trained model into an efficient runtime and validating output quality. Export to FP16 or ONCs, run latency and memory tests on the deployment hardware, and integrate the model behind an API that supports batching and caching for throughput. Add consent, watermarking, and guardrails to prevent misuse. Finally, monitor logs and human MOS evaluations for artifacts. If you encounter audio collapse, noisy output, or mode collapse, roll back to a recent checkpoint, lower the learning rate, or add more clean.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.